At the Turfgrass Research Center at Virginia Tech, we're working with our cooperators at Corteva Agriscience, examining some of their newest herbicides. In this trial, we're examining Relzar, Gameon, and Crew. Relzar is a soon-to-be-released post-emergent broadleaf herbicide that contains the new active ingredient haloxifene-methyl, which is a synthetic auxin similar to 2,4-D or dicamba. And it also contains the ALS inhibitor fluracelam. Corteva is marketing this herbicide as a fast-acting herbicide that has no temperature restrictions and no volatility issues, separating it from other 2,4-D containing herbicides. Relzar is safe on virtually all turfgrass species, both warm and cool season. Corteva also claims that this product can effectively control over 60 different broadleaf weed species at their low use rate of 0.72 ounces per acre. Gameon was recently registered for use in turfgrass, and it is also a post-emergence broadleaf herbicide that contains the new active ingredient haloxifene-methyl. It also contains fluroxapyr and the new formulation of 2,4-D choline. This new formulation of 2,4-D is different from traditional formulations in that it's much less volatile and also has a lower odor. Gameon has been marketed as an extremely fast-acting herbicide, with the results being seen in as little as 24 to 72 hours. Also has a broader range of control than Relzar, controlling over 100 different broadleaf weed species. The main difference in turf safety between the two herbicides is that Gameon may injure Bermuda grass or bent grass if mown at low heights or if temperature is stressing the turf. The use rate of Gameon is between 3 and 4 pints per acre. Crew is a pre-emerge herbicide that is a combination of dimension, dithiopyr, and gallery, which is isoxapen. This product is being marketed for broad spectrum of grass and broadleaf control in a variety of turfgrass and ornamental plants. It is safe to use on most turf grasses and can be applied over the top on over 400 different ornamental plant species. Crew is formulated as a low dust granule that has a use rate between 150 and 200 pounds per acre. In this trial, we examined the effects of Relzar, Gameon, and Crew on white clover, common dandelion, and smooth crabgrass. At the end of August and the beginning of September, smooth crabgrass began to emerge in plots that received only one application of Crew at 150 pounds per acre, with this application being made on April 22nd. By mid-September, these treatments controlled smooth crabgrass roughly 80%. However, when the rate was increased to 200 pounds per acre, a single app made on April 22nd controlled smooth crabgrass 100% throughout the growing season. Split applications of 150 pounds per acre made on April 22nd and the second application being made on June 4th also controlled smooth crabgrass 100% throughout the growing season. When Relzar was applied at 0.72 ounces per acre, it controlled white clover about 95% and dandelion around 90% at 4 weeks after treatment. By 6 weeks after treatment, Relzar was controlling the white clover about 90% and dandelion about 70%. At 8 weeks after treatment, Relzar was controlling white clover only 80% and dandelion control had dropped to 55%. In contrast, Gameon, when applied at both 3.5 and 4 pints per acre, controlled both white clover and dandelion greater than 95% at 4 weeks and 6 weeks after treatment. At 8 weeks after treatment, Gameon was still controlling white clover greater than 95%, and dandelion was roughly 90% control at both rates. Neither Gameon nor Relzar had any effects on the smooth crabgrass as expected. Results from this trial indicate that Gameon is more effective at controlling dandelion and white clover than Relzar, and a single application of Crew at 200 pounds per acre or split applications of Crew at 150 pounds per acre should be sufficient for season-long smooth crabgrass control. We would like to thank Corteva Agriscience for all their generous donations, grants, and collaborations that made this project possible.